When you visit Nappr.io, you have the option to share your location to have hotels match closest to you. You can then create a new account or sign in using Facebook or Google. Once signed in, choose the date of your upcoming travel, and you can either enter a new city or search for hotels closest to your location. We've pulled up the search for hotels in the New York area. You can zoom in on the map to see where the available hotels are located and can click on the specific hotel to view the details. You can choose to search within a specific price range by sliding the bar to accommodate your budget. In this example, we zoom into our preferred area and decide between the Da Vinci Hotel and the Courtyard by Marriott Central Park. Clicking on the Courtyard Marriott Hotel pillow takes us to the hotel page where we can view additional photos, the hotel description and hotel amenities, available time slots, along with other hotels that are in the area. Most hotels have multiple time slot options available. Choose which one you want and see a breakout of the final amount including taxes. Then fill out all the necessary booking information including name, email, phone number, message to the hotel, and approximate arrival time. Click Book Now and you'll receive a confirmation email. Select My Bookings from your profile drop-down menu to view all your current bookings. Click the FAQ link at the top of the page to see answers to some of the frequently asked questions. These include, what is Nappr exactly? How does it work? How much does it cost? And many others. Click Profile from your drop-down menu and you can edit and update your profile or password at any time. If you'd like to search for hotels in other cities, please enter the name of the city and click Search. There are 26 hotels available in the Miami area, and you can scroll down and select your favorite. Thank you for visiting Nappr. Let us know if you have any questions.